Alright, what's up y'all? Real quick before we get into the video, don't mind me, this is like a couple days after. Forgot to film an intro. I want to let y'all know this is a video where I'm not really going to be talking as much as I usually do. So go ahead and grab a snack, grab a little drink, just sit back and enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you guys haven't already. It goes a very long way. Let me know what I can improve on. This was a different camera angle, so let me know how y'all feel about that down in the comments below. And I'll catch you on the next one. All right, we're recording. You want to go first? Go ahead. She got pissed. Do my routine. Okay, we finna press sport. Hold this down. Okay. Alright y'all, so we're gonna start the cruise. We're just gonna head onto the freeway and yeah, so for right now it's gonna be a little bit of POV, and then in a little bit we'll switch over to the tripod and I'll get a little bit of rollers and we'll probably get a little bit of races in. You're about to hear all that I usually cut out. Anyways, that's one of my homies, Julio. We'll pull over after we're done cruising and let you guys see his car a little bit. We're most likely gonna run it, but I'm letting you guys know right now, he's gonna gap me, okay? There's like 100 horsepower difference here. So, yeah, well, I mean, fun runs, you know, fun runs. Alright, yo, let's get it. Hopefully there's not too much traffic. I did try out some new settings, so if y'all can let me know how it looks compared to the last video, that would be greatly appreciated. This is one of the cleanest fucking Camaros in AZ, I am telling you. Yes, sir. Sheesh. Oh my God. That is nasty. Oh yeah. What? I didn't see it, but I heard. Oh my God. There's a fat ass bug that just died. Holy. Alright. Yeah, go and then record it. Record, you're not, yeah, there you go. Alright, y'all, so I think that's enough POV. I think we're gonna go to the tripod and get a little bit of rollers outside the car for you guys. Let's get a running. Let's get a running. He's still going. He's still fucking going. Shit. Oh my god. Oh, like still kind of out, bro. Oh, there's another charger. That's old. Yeah. Low-key, you want to take photos right here? Yeah. I'll get behind you. There's no one here, so. Right here? Yeah. Jesus.
Oh, I thought about that charger, but it was a girl.
Was it a chick? Let it cool off a little bit.
Yeah, text her, but he texted me and he said where we at now.
Oh, for real? Should we have him meet us here? Or should we go somewhere?
It's pretty far, low key, for him to meet us over here.
This is my homie Julio. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Y'all see the little SS. I'll give y'all a little bit of the signals. Ladies and gentlemen, hopefully we get a little tunnel pull. Hopefully we get a little tunnel pull. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That was nasty. That would walk any of us. You didn't give us nothing, no.
It's female, that's
oh, for real?
Yeah.
Shit.
Got like that Karen
that Karen cut. No. Yeah, man, we're out here chilling, taking a little break, let the cars cool down, and then we're gonna head over to Dutch Bros again where we met up, and possibly link up with the homie, maybe. He hasn't got back at us, so we'll see. Dutch Bros. Hopefully link up with another homie. Okay, I want to ask y'all, okay, if you have a choice between this car and this one, which one you taking, man? Be honest though, be honest, all right? So just let me know in the comments. Hopefully they're up, not like the last video where it didn't let you comment. Hopefully I get that figured out. Yeah, let me know.
I make one phone call and the rest get handled. It's just another front step.
Alright, if you wrote out the whole video up until now, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. I'll be sure to upload every Monday consistently. Be sure to stay tuned for that weekly Monday upload. Yeah, man. Thank you guys for the love and support.